my friends, if this is your first time to my channel, thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Emily, and today we are going to be talking all about the brand new indie makeup releases. So let's go ahead and hop right on into what's new in the indie makeup industry, shall we? Getting started today, Nomad Cosmetics has recently launched their Antilles palette. This palette will be retailing on their website for $37. It is vegan and cruelty-free. This palette consists of beautiful tropical tones. We have some blues, some pinks, some purples, and even some oranges and reds. In my opinion, this palette is coordinated beautifully, and I want to get my paws on it. Next up is the Opv Rainbow Splash Palette. This palette is currently available on their website online, and it is available for $29 Great British Pound. You get 11 matte shades, 8 shimmers, and 1 metallic. You get a nice variety of bright, fun, summery shades. And now moving on to a palette that is very similar to the first two, we have the SeptemberRose Slush palette. This palette retails for $24.99 Great British Pound and is available now on their website. This palette is vegan and cruelty-free, and it comes with 25 shades of pink, purple, orange, yellow, all sorts of fun summery colors. And for your convenience, this palette also does come with a mirror. So those three palettes are all very similar, but they all have unique aspects to them. Personally, in my opinion, I absolutely love the Nomad Cosmetics palette, and I am definitely considering picking that baby up. But who are we kidding here? I would love to have all three of those palettes. They are all absolutely stunning. And all of the price points are actually very good as well. Moving away from the colorful eyeshadow palette here, Bitterlace Beauty has just released their Rewrite the Stars highlighter. But this is no ordinary highlighter. This highlight will be retailing for $18, and it is available now on the Bitterlace Beauty website. This highlighter stands out amongst the crowd. It's a multi-chrome. This highlight shifts from pink to lavender to green and even to gold. I think this is the first time, if not one of the first times, that we are actually seeing a multi-chrome highlighter, and I am absolutely loving the trend of this. Next up on the new indie releases are the Stilazzi blush palettes. These blush palettes retail for $29 and are available now on the Stilazzi website. There are two different blush palettes that have been released in this collection. Bahamas, which is more so catered to light to medium skin, and Barbados, which is more so catered to my melanin boys and girls out there, but honestly, anyone can use these interchangeably. All of the colors are so beautiful and corally and peachy, and of course, summery. New from LoveLuxe Beauty are the brand new Shine Bright highlighters. These highlighters will be retailing for $20. They are available now, and you can pick them up on the LoveLuxe Beauty website. There are 13 different shades of beautiful iridescent highlighty goodness to choose from blue to mint to pink and even to purple. Not to mention, these highlighters come in a beautiful diamond compact, and there's basically a shade for everyone in this line. And finally, on the indie interest makeup news list today, Suva Beauty has recently come out with their Block Party Summer Collection. This collection is available now on the Suva Beauty website. This collection consists of a palette for $30 and 3 different Hydra liners for $12 each in the shades Seriously, Grape Soda, and Freezie. This palette is very reminiscent of the first 3 palettes that we talked about here in Indie Interest today. There are so many different, beautiful, bright, summery, colorful palettes to choose from. I can't even decide which one I want because honestly, I want all of them. The Hydra liners by Suva Beauty can be used as an eyeshadow base, a cream eyeshadow, a liner, or face paint, and they glow in the dark. All you have to do is add a little bit of H2O to the Hydra liners to activate, and let your creativity run free, my friends. That is everything that I have for you here on Indie Interest for this week. Like I said last time, this is a bi-weekly series, so every 2 weeks or maybe even 3 weeks, depending on how many things are released by indie brands, I will be covering them in their own little show here because I want to really show off these indie brands because I absolutely adore indie brands and they deserve their own spotlight. So I hope you were able to find this helpful if you've been wanting some new indie makeup, and please do let me know in the comments below if you picked any of these up or if you want to pick any of these up, because I am really considering getting the Nomad palette because I think it's so beautiful. I think that $37 is a great price point and I really love the color scheme. So if you want to see a review on that, or if you want me to pick it up and test it out, please do let me know in the comments below, because I would be more than willing to do so, but I kind of want to have an excuse to buy it because I don't just want to spend the $37 for no reason. You know what I'm saying? I'm always buying makeup just because, and I want to actually buy makeup for a purpose here and give you guys some good information if you want it. But with that being said, that is all that I have for you guys today. I do hope that you consider subscribing if you have not already. I do indie interests every 2 or 3 weeks, and during the rest of the week I have all sorts of makeup goodness happening here on this channel. I also do cover all of the new makeup releases from the Sephora and Ulta brands and the more well-known brands as well every single Monday. So if you are interested in seeing any of my videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. I do also hope that you consider giving this video a big ol' thumbs up and hitting that notification bell down below if you did enjoy this video, and if you didn't, then hey, that's okay. Thank you for stopping by anyway. But I hope that you are having an absolutely amazing, fantastic, and wonderful day wherever you are, and thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you next time. Bye!